Hey, affiliate marketers, this is Kelsey, and in this video, I want to share with you how to create what you desire in your affiliate marketing business. All right, so it's a process that you want to undergo when it comes to creating what it is that you want. Results, right? And I know results as a business owner is money in your bank account, right? Results is the sales commissions that you want to earn. And results is the profit that you want to earn. Results is the sales that you want to generate in order to have the sales commissions that you want to earn. So when you have an idea of how much sales you want, how much sales commissions you want to earn, how much profit you need in order to pay for whatever lifestyle that you want to live. Now you have to understand though how to turn that desire for those things into a reality. So there's a process that I want to share with you to help you to be able to get that done. And it starts right here with first knowing what you desire. This is the starting point. In the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill in chapter 2 talks about how that burning desire is the starting point of all achievement. Well, why is that the case? Because when you have a burning desire for something, then it's going to inspire change. And that change is a change in you. Because if you didn't have to change, then you would already have what it is that you desire, right? But because you want something different, you have to become different. In order to have something you never had, you have to become something that you have never been. Okay, so once you have an idea and you are sure and confident in knowing what it is that you desire, that's the starting point. This is now who you want to become. This is where you want to go. These are the results you want to see. So now with that in mind, now you have to come in alignment with that desire. You have to position yourself in the environment or create an environment that's conducive with the thing that you say that you desire. So how do you do that? Well, change needs to take place in these four areas. Once you learn about your desire, now you have to change first your beliefs. Changing what you believe and making sure that your beliefs are in alignment with your desire. If you're desiring a certain amount of sales and sales commissions or income, then you have to believe that you can achieve that. Okay, so that's important. So the next thing that you have to make sure that's in alignment with your desire is your thoughts and also your feelings. Because if what you're thinking is not in alignment with your desire, with the amount of sales and sales commissions that you want to earn, right, then there's no way for you to actually experience that. You cannot see the reality of it if you don't think that you can, right? If you don't think you can, then you're right, you can't. But if you think you can, then you're right, you can. So make sure that your thoughts are in alignment with what it is that you want. The next thing that has to change is the words that you're using, the words that you're speaking. Your word usage has to be in alignment with the thing that you desire. Whenever these things are in alignment with your desire, these areas of your life, the person that you are, then you can actually have it. You have to have it internally first before you can have it externally. Okay? So what you say is extremely important. And you don't ever have to fake what you're saying as long as you believe in what you're saying and you truly think that what you're saying is what you can have. So your words don't ever have to be fake. Don't even think that. But just make sure that you are okay with correcting yourself whenever you say something that's not in alignment with your desire. The last thing that needs to change, which is the step before actually seeing what it is that you want, is your actions. Your actions has to be in alignment with what it is you say you want. Your actions is what you do. Your actions is who you become. Your actions is where you arrive, and this is where you actually you see yourself doing what it is that you say that you want. Those actions is your performance. This right here, as I said, is the step before seeing what it is that you desire. And when you start to perform your different actions from what you've been performing before, you're going to start to notice that your results are going to change. You're going to have more sales. You're going to have more sales commissions or income coming into your business because you are a different person. So thank you for watching. I hope you now have a better idea of how to create the results that you want in your business, how to achieve the thing that you want, to have a manifestation of the thing that you desire by following this process right here that I just laid out to you. So thanks for watching. If you're totally new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, click on the bell notification to get notified when new videos are released, and also drop a comment. I would love to know what you think about this particular topic. Thanks for watching.